This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Beth Page. Move right into this tastefully updated, 3-bed, 2-bath open concept floor plan home. Features include open kitchen, stainless steel appliances with granite countertops, nice-sized bedrooms, and large primary bathroom. The kitchen and bathroom's floors have recently been updated with LVP, but the remainder of the home showcases the original hardwood flooring. The large fenced-in yard offers a retreat for relaxation and privacy. The home sits on almost half an acre in a desirable Fountain City neighborhood close to the interstate, shops, dining and UT. For more information, review the details below or contact Beth Page at 865-687-1111.